Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to get our hands dirty with a project that's both rewarding and delicious mango farming. Now I've tackled my fair share of tough jobs, but there's something truly satisfying about growing your own food. And when that food is the king of fruits, well, that's just downright rewarding. In this here guide, we're gonna break down the process of mango farming into bite-sized pieces, from picking the perfect spot for your trees, to getting those juicy mangoes from the branch to your belly. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, we'll give you the know-how to cultivate your very own slice of mango heaven. So, grab your gloves, put on your work boots, and let's dig into the world of mango farming. Trust me, the fruits of your labor will be well worth it. Now, let's get started. First things first, we gotta find the perfect spot to plant your mango trees. Just like folks, mango trees need the right environment to thrive. Mangoes love the heat and sunshine. They grow best in tropical and subtropical climates with plenty of warmth and light. Think long, sunny days and mild winters. Temperature is key. Mango trees prefer temperatures between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. They can tolerate some heat, but frost is a big no-no. Rainfall matters too. Mango trees need about 30 to 40 inches of rain per year. They can handle some dry spells, but consistent moisture is best. And of course, we can't forget about the soil. Mango trees prefer well-drained soil that's slightly acidic. They don't like soggy roots, so good drainage is crucial. Alright, we found our spot. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and prep the land for our mango trees. First up, weed control. We gotta clear the area of any unwanted plants that might compete with our mango trees for nutrients and water. Next, it's time to break up the soil. Deep plowing is the way to go here. We want to loosen up the soil to a depth of about 2 to 3 feet or 60 to 90 centimeters to allow for good root penetration and drainage. Now for the main event, digging the pits. Mango trees need plenty of space to spread their roots, so we'll dig pits that are about 3 feet wide and 3 feet deep. With the pits dug, we're one step closer to planting our mango trees. With our land prepped and ready, we are all set to embark on the exciting journey of planting mango saplings. This is a crucial step in ensuring a bountiful harvest in the future. It's time to get those mango saplings in the ground. Planting them correctly will set the foundation for healthy growth and fruit production. First, we'll fill the pits with a mixture of topsoil, well-rotted manure, and other organic materials. This combination will provide a rich environment for the saplings to thrive. And don't forget to add a sprinkle of bone meal. This will supply essential nutrients like phosphorus, which is vital for root development. This rich blend will give our young trees the nutrients they need to get a strong start. A well-prepared soil mix is key to the health and vigor of the saplings. Next, we'll gently remove the saplings from their containers. It's important to handle them with care to avoid any damage to the delicate roots. Being careful not to damage the roots is crucial. Healthy roots are essential for the saplings to establish themselves quickly in their new environment. We'll place each sapling in the center of its pit. Positioning them correctly ensures that they have enough space to grow and develop. Making sure the graft union, that little bump on the lower stem, is positioned correctly is very important. This bump, known as the graft union, should be about 2 inches or 5 centimeters above the soil line. This helps prevent diseases and ensures proper growth. Ensuring the graft union is at the right height is a small but significant detail that can make a big difference in the health of the tree. Now it's time to backfill the pits with the remaining soil mixture. This step helps to secure the sapling in place and provides it with the nutrients it needs. Gently firming the soil around the base of each sapling ensures that there are no air pockets which can hinder root growth. We'll water the newly planted trees thoroughly. Watering is essential to help settle the soil and encourage root growth. The water helps to settle the soil around the roots, ensuring good contact and promoting healthy root development. And there you have it. Our mango saplings are in the ground and ready to grow. With proper care and attention, they'll soon become strong, healthy trees. Our mango saplings are in the ground and ready to grow. This is just the beginning of their journey. With time, patience, and the right care, these saplings will grow into magnificent mango trees, bearing delicious fruit for years to come. Section 5. The Art of Irrigation. Quenching the thirst of your mango trees. Just like us, mango trees need water to survive and thrive. But how much water is enough? Young mango trees need regular watering, especially during the first few years after planting. We'll want to water them deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. As the trees mature, they become more drought tolerant. We can reduce watering to once every 10 to 14 days, providing a good soaking each time. It's important to note that mango trees don't like soggy roots, so we'll want to make sure the soil drains well and avoid overwatering. By paying attention to the tree's water needs, we can help them grow strong and healthy. Section 6. Nourishing your mango trees, a guide to fertilization. To keep our mango trees happy and productive, we need to give them the right nutrients. Fertilizer is like a balanced meal for our trees, providing the essential elements they need to grow, flower, and bear fruit. We'll want to fertilize our mango trees 3 times a year, once in early spring, once in late spring, and once in late summer. The type and amount of fertilizer we use will depend on the age of the tree. Young trees need a fertilizer that's higher in nitrogen to promote leaf and branch growth. As the trees mature, we'll switch to a fertilizer that's higher in phosphorus and potassium to encourage flowering and fruiting. By providing our mango trees with the right nutrients at the right time, we can help them reach their full potential. Section 7. Shaping your mango trees, training and pruning techniques. In this section, we will delve into the essential practices of training and pruning your mango trees to ensure they grow healthy and productive. Now let's talk about training and pruning our mango trees. These techniques are crucial for guiding the growth of the trees and ensuring they develop a strong structure. This is like giving our trees a haircut and a little guidance to help them grow into a desirable shape. Just as a well-groomed haircut can enhance a person's appearance, proper pruning can significantly improve the health and productivity of our mango trees. In the early years, we'll want to train our mango trees to develop a strong central trunk and well-spaced branches. This foundational work is critical as it sets the stage for the tree's future growth and fruit production. We can do this by staking the young trees and selectively pruning any branches that are crossing or growing too close together. This selective pruning helps to prevent overcrowding and ensures that each branch has enough space to grow and receive adequate sunlight. As the trees mature, we'll continue to prune them annually to remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Regular pruning is essential for maintaining the health of the tree and preventing the spread of diseases. We'll also want to thin out the canopy to improve air circulation and light penetration, which can help prevent diseases and improve fruit quality. A well-ventilated canopy allows sunlight to reach the inner branches, promoting better fruit development and reducing the risk of fungal infections. Proper training and pruning will not only make our mango trees look better, but it will also help them produce more and better quality fruit. By investing time and effort into these practices, we can ensure a bountiful harvest of delicious, high-quality mangoes year after year. Remember, a well-maintained mango tree is a productive mango tree, and the rewards of our labor will be evident in the abundance of fruit it bears. Section 8. Protecting your bounty mango pest and disease control. In this section, we will delve into the essential practices and strategies to safeguard your mango trees from the various pests and diseases that can threaten your harvest. Now, let's face it, no farm is an island. Every farm, no matter how isolated, is part of a larger ecosystem. This means that pests and diseases can travel from one place to another, making it crucial for farmers to stay vigilant and proactive. Pests and diseases are a fact of life, and mango trees are no exception. These unwelcome visitors can cause significant damage if not managed properly. But with the right knowledge and tools, we can minimize their impact. But don't worry, we can keep these critters and ailments at bay with a little vigilance and some natural solutions. It's all about being observant and taking timely action to protect your trees. Common pests that like to munch on mango trees include mango fruit flies, scale insects, and mealybugs. These pests can cause a range of issues, from damaging the fruit to weakening the tree itself. We can control these pests by using traps, spraying insecticidal soap, and employing other organic methods. Traps can help monitor and reduce pest populations, while insecticidal soaps are effective in controlling soft-bodied insects, or introducing beneficial insects that prey on the pests. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory beetles are just a few examples of natural allies in our fight against harmful pests. As for diseases, mango trees can be susceptible to anthracnose, powdery mildew, and bacterial black spot. These diseases can affect the leaves, flowers, and fruit, leading to reduced yields and quality. We can prevent these diseases by keeping our trees healthy, providing good air circulation, and maintaining proper spacing between trees. Pruning is essential to ensure that air can flow freely through the canopy, reducing the humidity that fosters disease, and applying fungicides or copper sprays when necessary. These treatments can help control fungal and bacterial infections, protecting the health of your trees. By being proactive and using natural solutions whenever possible, we can protect our mango trees and ensure a bountiful harvest. Remember, a healthy tree is a productive tree, and with the right care, your mango orchard can thrive for years to come.